Do you ever wonder which cryptocurrencies are poised for explosive growth or at least solid, consistent returns, especially when you're looking at a platform like Newton? It's a question that echoes across countless minds, from seasoned investors to those just dipping their toes into the exciting, yet sometimes intimidating, world of digital assets. We've all seen the headlines, the overnight millionaires, the dizzying rallies, and yes, the equally dramatic crashes. It's enough to make your head spin. But what if there was a way to cut through the noise, to identify assets with genuine potential, particularly on a user-friendly platform like Newton? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Newton, for those unfamiliar, is a fantastic Canadian-based cryptocurrency platform that's gained immense popularity for its simplicity, low fees, and impressive selection of over 70 digital assets. It's designed to make crypto accessible, whether you're making your first trade or managing a seasoned portfolio. Their commitment to transparency, security, and a seamless user experience makes it a go-to for many. But with so many options available, how do you decide what to buy? Before we jump into specific coins, it's crucial to understand the landscape we're operating in. The crypto market in mid-2025 is a fascinating beast. We've seen a significant maturation in the space, with increasing regulatory clarity, particularly in the US, fostering greater institutional adoption. Bitcoin ETFs have become a game-changer, drawing in traditional finance and providing a new avenue for large-scale investment. DeFi continues its explosive growth, with tokenization of real-world assets gaining serious traction. Even meme coins, once dismissed as pure speculation, are carving out a more significant, albeit still volatile, niche. The overall sentiment is bullish, with many experts predicting new all-time highs for major cryptocurrencies. However, it's vital to remember that volatility remains a defining characteristic of this market. Sharp declines can follow rapid gains, and vice versa. This isn't financial advice, but rather an exploration of potential opportunities based on current market trends and project fundamentals. Always do your own thorough research and invest only what you can afford to lose. So, how do we evaluate a cryptocurrency for investment, especially when looking for strong contenders on Newton? It's not just about hype. We need to consider several key factors. First, project fundamentals and utility. Does the project solve a real problem? Does it have a clear use case? Is there a detailed white paper outlining its technology and goals? A strong project isn't just a digital token, it's a solution. Second, team and transparency. Who is behind the project? Are the team members publicly known and do they have verifiable backgrounds? A transparent and experienced team instills confidence. Third, tokenomics. How is the token structured? What's the total and circulating supply? How are tokens distributed, and what's their utility within the ecosystem? Understanding the economic model is crucial. Fourth, market capitalization and liquidity. While not the sole determinant, a higher market cap generally indicates greater stability and adoption. High trading volume suggests good liquidity, meaning you can buy and sell easily without significant price impact. Fifth, technological advancements and roadmap. Is the project actively developing? Are there clear plans for future innovation? The crypto space evolves rapidly, so continuous development is key. And finally, community engagement and support. A strong, active community can be a powerful indicator of a project's health and potential for growth. With those considerations in mind, let's talk about some of the top coins to consider on Newton right now, based on their current standing, future potential, and alignment with market trends. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. No list of top coins would be complete without Bitcoin. It's the undisputed king of crypto, the original, and the benchmark against which all other digital assets are measured. On Newton, Bitcoin remains a cornerstone. Why Bitcoin now? Bitcoin's institutional adoption has exploded, especially with the approval of spot ETFs. This has brought massive liquidity from traditional financial markets into the crypto space. It's trading well above key moving averages, and despite some pullbacks, it has shown remarkable resilience. The narrative of digital gold continues to strengthen, making it a powerful hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Furthermore, the recent halving event in 2024, which reduces the supply of new Bitcoin, historically acts as a catalyst for price appreciation. While past performance is not indicative of future results, the supply shock combined with increasing demand paints a compelling picture. Fundamentals: Bitcoin's fundamentals are robust. It's a decentralized, secure, and permissionless digital currency. Its proof-of-work consensus mechanism, while energy-intensive, provides unparalleled security. Risks: volatility is always a factor, and market corrections can be sharp. Regulatory shifts, while largely positive, could still introduce headwinds. However, as the most established cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is generally considered to be among the lower-risk options in the crypto market. 2. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is the backbone of the decentralized world, a programmable blockchain that underpins countless decentralized applications, dApps, DeFi protocols, and NFTs. Newton offers seamless access to ETH, making it a prime target for investors. Why Ethereum now? Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake, the merge, has significantly improved its scalability, security, and energy efficiency. It's the dominant platform for smart contracts and decentralized finance. The constant innovation within its ecosystem, including the development of Layer 2 solutions, continues to drive demand. As real-world asset tokenization gains traction, Ethereum is positioned to be a primary beneficiary, acting as the settlement layer for these digital representations of tangible assets. Experts predict continued growth for ETH, with targets pushing towards and potentially exceeding $5,000. Fundamentals: Ethereum's robust smart contract capabilities and vast developer community are its key strengths. It's essentially the operating system for the next generation of the Internet. Risks: scalability challenges, though being addressed by Layer 2s, can still lead to high gas fees during peak network congestion. Competition from other Layer 1 blockchains is also a factor. 3. Solana, SOL. Solana has emerged as a formidable contender in the Layer 1 blockchain space, renowned for its incredible speed and low transaction costs. It's readily available on Newton and has been a favorite among those seeking high-performance alternatives to Ethereum. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.